Hi, my name is Dean and I'm heading the training and business development of For Life Research Philippines. And today I want to share with you all about For Life My Shop. But before we start, meron akong tanong. Have you ever wondered why a lot of people nowadays are developing a new and a different buying pattern and buying behavior? Well, it's because of our present situation nowadays. Kaya naman, maraming mga tao na ngayon ang gumagamit ng mga different online selling platforms to purchase their needs and their wants as well. Now, as a For Life distributor, would you rather join the bandwagon and earn more through online selling platforms? Kaya naman, For Life Research came up with For Life My Shop so that you can maximize your earning potential with your For Life business. So pag-usapan natin ang tungkol sa For Life My Shop. Did you know that with your For Life My Shop, when you share your discount, you earn more commission? Yes, you've heard it right. Share your discount and earn more commission with the For Life My Shop. So, maaaring nagtatanong ka na, ano nga ba itong For Life My Shop? Well, ang For Life My Shop is your own personal For Life online store. Ang ibig sabihin nito, For Life Research is providing you your personal For Life online store with a unique My Shop site or link. And all of this is absolutely 100% free and easy to use. With the For Life My Shop, you are allowing your customers to purchase their favorite For Life products on your site, on your store, and you are actually giving them an access to your wholesale discount or wholesale price. So, what's in it for you? Ngayon na i-share mo na yung discounted price mo, meron ka pa bang kikitain? Well, the answer is yes. With the For Life My Shop, you can earn commissions on your customers' purchases through your personal For Life My Shop. So everybody wins. And wait, there's more. For all orders of your customers, For Life will deliver it to their doorsteps. Kaya naman, all you need to do is to just share My Shop to all of your customers. Kanina, pinag-usapan natin when you share your discount, you earn commissions. So, paano ito nangyayari? Your customers will receive 20% savings on their favorite products. Meaning to say, your customers, when they purchase through your My Shop, they can earn 20% savings. Discounted price na yung kanilang bibilin with For Life. On the other hand, ikaw naman na For Life distributor will earn 25% commission on all orders placed on their My Shop site. But take note, this is based on the LP purchase of your customers. And secondly, kinakailangan for you to earn your 25% commission, you need to have a minimum of 100 personal volume for the current month to be eligible for the My Shop commissions. Good news! You can get your My Shop commissions within 2 to 3 banking days. But take note, your My Shop commissions are subject to applicable government or mandated withholding tax of 10%. Now, your For Life My Shop is accessible in 2 different ways. First is through your personal replicated website at www.forlife.com/your-ID number. And secondly, you can access For Life My Shop through your For Life business app. Now, ang maganda dito sa My Shop is that you can make it personal. How? Kasi dahil ito naman ay personal online store mo, you can change the default URL to your personalized URL address. So anong ibig sabihin? From www.forlife.com/your-ID number, pwede mo itong palitan ng www.forlife.com forlife.com/yourname. Pangalan mo naman. Kagaya nito, www.forlife.com/deangocon instead of your ID number. You can also add your profile picture para naman ma-recognize ka at makilala ka ng mga customers mo. And pangatlo, you can also add your personal contact information so that customers can contact you whenever they will have questions, especially on the time na sila ay nagpo-purchase na ng mga produkto sa iyong My Shop. Okay, dahil most people nowadays are talagang they are making use of their telephones or their mobile devices, mas magandang i-access ang 4Life My Shop mo through the 4Life Business app. All you need to do is to download your 4Life Business app and then log on to it using your ID number and password, and eto naman ang dapat mong gawin. You can also make it personal by adding your profile picture, kagaya din dun sa website. You can also add your personal contact information so that, again, customers can contact you whenever they have questions or clarifications. Finally, with the 4Life My Shop, through the 4Life Business app, you can send your unique My Shop link via email, text, or social media platforms, or you can put it in your business cards. Once you have sent your My Shop link to your customers, they can now browse and choose products that they want to purchase. Pero eto, merong napakagandang feature ang ating My Shop through the 4Life Business app. And this is, you can send product recommendations to your customers. And this is very important, lalo na dun sa hindi pa familiar sa mga different 4Life products. So the best is for you to recommend to them yung mga produktong sa tingin mo ay makatutulong sa kanila. So how do you do this? You can do this through the custom carts. You can create a custom shopping cart with product recommendations and share it with your customers. And when you send them the link, all they have to do is to check it out and pay. With regards to the payment naman, ito yung mga payment options natin. Your customers can pay through their credit card, Master or Visa, and through their debit card. Kinakailangan lang na i-activate nila yung e-commerce access dun sa kanilang mga respective debit cards. So again, this option is only available through the 4Life Business app. Now, let's learn to earn. Napakadali lang para matutunan ang paggamit ng 4Life My Shop. So all you need to do is to be familiar with 6 different icons. I'm sure all of you are familiar with this icon na nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen. So this is our 4Life Business app icon. Second naman is our 4Life My Shop icon. Third, ito yung tinatawag na sandwich bar. This is actually the menu bar. Tatlong guhit na puti. Now this one naman na merong nakalagay na box with an arrow pointing upward. This is the share icon. Panglima, ito naman na kamay na merong bottle sa ibabaw. This is your product recommendation icon. And lastly, this pencil, right? This pencil is your edit icon. So right now, ang gagawin ko naman is to give you a live demonstration kung paano ginagamit ang 4Life My Shop through the 4Life Business app. So what you can see right now on your screen is my cell phone. So as you can see here, this is our 4Life Business app icon. All you need to do is to tap it at mag-o-open na yung 4Life Business app mo. Or pwede ka rin kung hindi pa naka-open yan, you can just log in using your 4Life Business, your 4Life distributor ID and password. So dito, you can see on the upper right-hand portion yung sandwich bar or yung menu bar. All you need to do is to click on it, and on the middle portion, you can see My Shop icon. Tap on that, and this is what you're going to see. Ito yung personal information mo. By the way, this is where you change your picture, personalized photo mo. Pero ang gusto kong ipakita sa inyo is how to send your customized link. So this is where you send your customized link. May nakalagay dito, custom link. All you need to do is to click this icon, yung rectangle or yung square box with a pointing up arrow. So pag clinic mo yan, you can now share through text, Facebook, Messenger, through email, WhatsApp, Viber, and other social media platforms. So let's say i-share ko siya sa Messenger. So I can just choose kung sino ang ating pag-sharean. So let's say I will choose Ma'am Aileen Tandario para ma-share natin yung aking link, and then just press itong send. So right away, matatanggap ni Ma'am Aileen yung link ng aking MyShop, okay? Yung inyong MyShop. And kapag na-receive na niya yan sa kanyang Messenger, what will happen is, pag clinic niya yun, makikita na niya doon yung mga different products and she can just click on it para mamili. But there's a better way. Ano yun? Yung ikaw mismo ang mag-recommend sa iyong mga customers and friends kung ano yung maganda nilang i-take. Depende kung ano yung makatutulong sa kanila. So again, go back to this icon, the sandwich icon or the menu icon. Click on that, and then puntahan natin uli itong My Shop icon. And then on this part, makikita nyo ito upper right hand portion uli, itong gray na kamay na merong bottle. So pag clinic natin yan, magiging na siyang, ibig sabihin activated na siya, magiging na siyang color blue, kanina gray. So what you can do is to actually create a new one. Example, i-click natin itong create new favorite list, and then let's say I want to recommend to Ma'am Aileen. Ang gagawin natin is to type her name, okay, for Aileen, and then add products kung ano yung gusto kong i-recommend sa kanya. Let's say I wanted to recommend Ma'am Aileen 1 box of collagen. Pero because I know her, I remember, sabi niya gusto niya yung makatry ng maraming collagen. Meaning to say, pang matagalang gamit. So pwede ako mag-recommend ng, let's say, 3 boxes. All you need to do is to continuously press. Well, actually press 3 times dun sa collagen box na yan. So meron na, ibig sabihin nitong 3 is 3 boxes of collagen. Now, ang recommendation ko din kay Ma'am Aileen is for her to use collagen combined with Rio Vida sticks, kasi napakasarap nung ating Rio Vida sticks combined with collagen. So tatlo rin yung ire-recommend ko sa kanya. At dahil alam kong si Ma'am Aileen ay gusto niyang lalo pa siyang gumanda, so ang ire-recommend ko sa kanya is 1 complete set of this one, yung 4 Life na aqua set natin. So click natin 1 set, and kapag tapos na ako mamili ng recommendation sa kanya, all I need to do is to click on this box with the arrow pointing upward. Ito yung share. So i-click ko yan, and then I will go to Messenger para dun ko isend kay Ma'am Aileen. Tapos hahanapin ko ngayon yung pangalan ni Ma'am Aileen. So this one, i-check natin yan, and then send. Yan. Okay, so ganun lang kadali ang paggamit ng My Shop. Bago tayo magtapos, ipakita ko naman sa inyo kung ano yung makikita nung mga customers. So this time, ang gagawin ko, the same recommendation, i-share ko naman ito sa pangalan ko para maipakita ko sa inyo. So I can send this to Dean Gocon, and then click send, at pag na-send na yan, I will go to my messenger. Alright? So makikita ko dito, i-click ko yan. So this is what your customers will see, kung ano man yung na-recommend mo sa kanila. So all I need to do as a customer naman is to click on this link na pre-provide ninyo. So pag click ko na yan, I will be redirected to another screen or window. So mapupunta ito dun sa inyong My Shop. So this time, actually ang may-ari nung My Shop is si Divine Intervention. So yung kanina na pinili kong recommendation na merong 3 collagen, may 3 Rio Vida sticks, and 1 set of skincare, nandito na siya. So hindi na mahihirapan yung customer na makapamili. So ano ang kasunod na gagawin? The customer need to do is to check out. Blue one is the checkout. So pag clinic ko yan, add to cart, and then makikita ko na dito yung presyo na babayaran ko. So kung mapapansin nyo rito, nakasulat wholesale pricing applied. So discounted na ito. Ibig sabihin yung customer was able to save 6,000 plus on a 21,000 purchase, at napakarami ng produkto niyan. So ang kailangan na lang gawin, of course, is to click checkout. Pero kung may gusto ko pang idagdag as a customer, pwede mong i-click yung continue shopping. So pag check out ko to, what will happen is the system will ask for information about shipping. So your name, phone, and a lot of information. Well, actually, these are just relevant information para ma-deliver sa inyo yung produkto. At pag ito ay na-fill up na ninyo, you can just click on the continue at you will be directed naman dun sa payment, dito sa payment. Right? So, ganyan lang kadali. All you need to do is to really, kumbaga, ay pag-aralan ninyo itong ating My Shop. And this is very easy for your customers din na mapag-aralan. So, I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa ating My Shop. Share your For Life My Shop link now to all of your customers and earn more commissions based on the purchases they made through your For Life My Shop personal online store. With that, thank you so much, and this is Dean signing off.